Hello again, everybody. Let's go ahead and continue with Dark Falls. Creepy train went by, and let's go ahead and check out this room before we leave and move on past what I've already seen. And I don't know. I don't know what that is. I don't know if it's a lamp, and I can use matches. No, can't. Apparently, stupid. Ugh. Huh. Okay. I don't know. Let me out! Let's see if I can just go around to the other side. Hi! Hello? I'm scared. Hello? Okay. That was creepy. Woo. Have I been over here? No, thank you! Oh god, I can't move. Oh, Jesus Christ, I can't move, I'm scared. No, thank you! No, thank you! I'm scared! Oh, Jesus Christ in heaven. God damn. Oh. Oh. Ooh. I get scared very easily, so. Whew. That was freaky. That was very, very freaky. Ooh. Oh, Holy Bible, deliver me unto this evil. Whew. The Station Hotel is pleased to announce the opening of the new dining rooms designed by the late Arthur Johnson of Dowerton. Yeah, table 2. Freaky looking symbol. Guests can relax during breakfast, with the restaurant open to all in the evening from 6 o'clock. Whew. 12th April, 47, 9 o'clock, 2 and 2, broth, pickled dumplings, and goose, and 1 tart. That was freaky. Whew. Yay, more to read!
You're very nosy, aren't you? Poking around in other people's things.
Okay, I'll stop then. I'm sorry. I was planning to come straight to you, but something here has caught my imagination. I am in a grim little hovel somewhere between Dorchester and Weymouth. Why I hear you scream? Well, worry not, my friend. I may be arriving a rich woman at St. Ives. No, I have not met a rich Dorset man. The only man here is not the sort to be seduced by me or any woman come to that. Instead, the newspaper clippings have proved more valuable than I could ever imagined. I will tell you more over of hymns on the beach. Oh, I do so long for the sand and sun. This hotel is evil. I jest you not. You can feel it in the air. dank, dark evil. That fool Crabtree, the very quill fellow I mentioned, thrust this piece of thick, smelly paper in my hand earlier. I was in the dining room at the time. Dining room, ha, they wish. He said, hide it in your room. Your life may depend on it. Stupid man. I told him to leave the drama to the experts. I've hidden it nonetheless. Here in this yucky room, I've discovered that there is... One moment, there's someone at the door. Whew. Eleanor Vandellis, The Watchtower, West Beach, St. Ives, Cornwall. Dearest Eleanor, oh, those fiends, those critics were intolerable. I thought I heard something. And the audience was worse. They laughed me off the stage. Dearest Quentin has sent me some cuttings from the London Rags. One even dares to say that people only turned up for a laugh. Someone must have it in for me, for my performance was effortless and brilliant. You may have read that I fled London. This is not true at all. I have been just, fled London for the time being. So, of course, I thought who better to visit than my dear friend, Barbara, Eleanor, and spend some quality time here in lovely St. Ives.
What a strange clock. It's got buttons on it.
I see that. Button, 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 button. I don't know.
What a strange clock. It's got buttons on it.
So, 2... 2, 26, 24... I don't know. Dun, dun. Empire play hits a new low.
The scoundrels.
As curtain fell last night of the opening of the new Empire play, The Two-Faced Bride of Borden Moore, I did feel rather sorry for the lead actress, Matilda Fly. This only lasted a few minutes, then I joined the audience in a chorus of boos and hisses. Her agent should be shot. Better still, someone should shoot Miss Fly, putting her out of her miserable acting career once and for all, for it is without a doubt that the poor thing will never work in West End again. The play itself, a rather childlike tale of adultery and revenge, suffered less than in criticism thanks to only Miss Fly's scene of stealing awfulness. I thanked her wholeheartedly for a most enjoyable evening. I look forward to seeing your struggle with your next. Matilda Fly flees London after bad reviews. Stage and screen actress Matilda Fly literally flew from the stage of her latest play last night after the audience began to laugh during what was supposed to be a death scene. Miss Fly is, or was, starring in The Two-Faced Bride of Bedlam Moore with Michael Ivins. Excuse me. Critical and audience appreciation has been famously poor since its opening. Fly still missing. Actress Matilda Fly is still missing after running from London stage last week. Reviews and show must end. Swift end. The writer. Dramatic disappearance. Said to have stated some people are born to act, others are born to bore. Fly is one of the latter creatures. No one knows where she's flown to. No friends can be found at all. Seeing the actress board a train to Weymouth late on Friday night. loss of revenue. Very popular with comedy fans. I gotta sneeze. Though the prey was... Ugh! Ugh! Shut up! Though the play was written as a tragedy, won't comment on his play, stating he was... It's like sad music. I don't know. I don't know. Oh, there you go. I'm good. I saw that! Go away! Oh, mirror in the friggin' frig. Oh, there's that thingy! One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Did it? No, thank you! Lusa. The symbols have been scattered. This in itself could save us. If the means of entrapment are hidden, it is less likely to be able to stop me so easily. They all think I'm mad. Perhaps I am. Though I will not rest until this act has been fulfilled. The words are strange to the tongue, and I will have to practice the reading. Arthur hid the words well beyond the visible, exposed by flame, and this one will remain hidden here within this box. Oh, creepy. Is that it? That's all I get? Anyway. Is it? Alright. I don't like this place. Yay! Stay locked! Oh! Oh! I don't want to do this anymore. I might have to go to the bathroom. This sucks. Sights from the northern hemisphere. Oh god, it's a book.
Are you interested in astronomy too?
No. I don't want to talk to you. Go away. What's this? Nothing? Go away. That was scary. Let me pee myself. And then give a pervert give bliff hors d'oeuvre. Huh? Okay. Oh, the freaking buttons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm never big one on puzzles. Oh, Jesus Christ. Really? Really? What is this? Huh. Yeah, I understand that. I'm not that retarded. But as for all whatever the frig this is, I don't know. Odin, Thor, Loki, woot woot. I don't know.
Edith is a wonder. She's been the perfect host for several years now. Strange taste in art, though.
Mapping an alternate sky. Oh, frigadoo. Well done to you. That's the first astrosextor done, although either I am going mad or my eyes are failing me. Looking at the sky through fresh eyes, which is the whole point of my new book. I seem to be seeing new constellations, which is impossible, is it not? I could be famous. The constellation of the Verdi Wow. Sounds wonderful. I've named it something else for now, but we'll contact the institution as soon as possible. I would tell Dillo Crabtree, but he seems to be off his rocker these days. Stuff some code note, question mark, and a piece of old skin under the door. Perhaps I would have a word with Edith. He always had been a bit of a queer one, acting strangely, ghost hunting Buzz. Never took it seriously. Never seen or heard anything in this hotel. Oh, I've heard a lot of things. Wouldn't come here every April if it was haunted, heavens no. And being downright rude. Delightful artwork. Frogs, bugs, toads. Hope it's not a comment on me. Constellation just to appear. Might go down to the bar and celebrate. They're having one of those musician memories sing songs. Could be a hoot. Maybe George will be here and I can ask him about this blasted code. That it? Okay. Mm-mm. Oh dear God. Ah! No, thank you. Bye. I'm good. Thanks, though. I don't want to turn and look. Oh, this is back where I came from. Okay. Ooh. Okay. Okay, I've not seen this part, so let's not try and die. Hello? Ah! Why does it keep saying that? I don't know what that means. I freaking hate this game. No, thank you. I don't want any. Alright, I'm gonna take a break because I have to go to the bathroom. Alright, so bye bye!